Hi, I'm Diana. Welcome back to the Country Life Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making this delicious, versatile lentil cold cuts recipe. This recipe was adapted from our original Country Life vegetarian cookbook. Let's get started. For today's recipe, we're going to be using organic red split lentils. I love using red split lentils in this recipe because of how fast they cook. We're using Bragg's liquid aminos, organic Not Chicken seasoning made in-house at Country Life, smoked yeast flakes, nutritional yeast flakes, onion flakes, Redmond's real salt, and a mixture of celery seed, oregano, Italian seasoning, cumin, and garlic. This gives it a really great flavor. You can find all of these products at our website, countrylifefoods.com. Let's get cooking. So we're going to add lentils to the Vitamix. 3 cups hot water. Right, so we need 1 cup of cool water. So start adding our seasonings. We've got the Bragg's, 2 teaspoons. One, 2. We've got our Not Chicken seasoning. Redmond's real salt, onion flakes, yeast flakes, smoked yeast flakes. You'll see that it's already very thick. And this is our celery seed, oregano, Italian seasoning, cumin, and garlic. Going to add our 1 cup of cool water. We want to thoroughly incorporate all of the ingredients, make sure that the spices are all mixed in and there are no lumps. When the mixture comes to a boil, we'll need to stir it constantly so that the ingredients don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And you can add extra water if you need to. If it becomes too thick and the lentils aren't quite done yet, you can add a little more water. You'll know when the lentils are completely cooked when they turn a little yellowish. It's not quite as bright orange as it was when we first started. We're going to taste test it and check it for texture. That's going to be so good. Okay. So now we have the lentil cold cut mixture into the loaf pan. We will allow this to cool for about an hour or so until it's cool enough to put into the refrigerator. We'll cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and let it sit for additional 3.5 to 4 hours until the mixture is completely cool and ready to cut. So once the lentils are cool and you have unmolded it onto a plate, you can slice it thinly for sandwiches. A good whole grain bread with lettuce, tomato, vegan mayo, so good. You can also cube it and put it on salads. I would love this fried as a tofu replacement. That would be so good. You can even just eat them like this. It is so delicious. I know you're gonna love this recipe. I can't wait for you to try it. And you can find all of these ingredients on our website at countrylifefoods.com. See you next time.